Justin, Rivers Court issues order restraining police (DSS) from arresting Fubara'S chief of staff. Okay, why did they want to arrest him before? What did he do? Why do you want to arrest him? Now, wow, the Rivers State High Court, sitting in Port Harcourt, has issued an order restraining security agencies, including the police and the Department of State Services (DSS), from arresting the suspended chief of staff to the suspended governor, Siminalayi Fubara Edison Ehie. Nigerian News report that the order was granted by Justice IPC Igwe in response to a motion filed by Ehie, who is the claimant in the case. Other defendants in the suit include the Inspector General of Police (IGP), the Director General of the DSS, the State Director of DSS, and the Police Service Commission (PSC). Justice Igwe ruled that an interim injunction be issued preventing the defendants or their agents from inviting, arresting, or detaining Ehie in connection with the alleged arson at the Rivers State House of Assembly, which occurred on March 29, 2023. So since March 29 now, it is now that they want to start arresting people for what happened there, and the building is already being rebuilt. These people, they are so just wicked. I don't understand. What would they gain from doing all of this? Why do you want to arrest Ehie? Did you catch him there, red-handed? Like he was the one that put fire there. And according to the report, it was Amewole that was the last person to access that place because he's the speaker. Other people cannot access it on weekends. Only him. It was he that they saw there. They saw his convoy there. Why not go and arrest him and ask him questions what he was doing there? And the following day, the place caught fire. Maybe it was the one that went to plant bomb there. You people don't know. You want to arrest another person. Because somebody that was given script to read. I don't understand these people. This follows statement made on or around March 27, 2025 by the former head of service of Rivers State, George Waike, or any other individual. We already saw that George Waike was given a script to read. Does that make sense to anybody that, he's obviously not saying the truth? They obviously want to bring these people down by all means. They obviously want to bring Fubara and Edison Ehie down by all means, because I don't know the stumbling block. Edison Ehie is the stumbling block to Amewole. Fubara is the stumbling block for Wike. So they are trying their very possible best to bring him down. Obviously, we saw it now. They told him, read what is inside the script. We saw everything. His wife even confirmed that it's like somebody is putting his husband under distress. He's been bullied to come and say this, to come and say that. You now want to arrest him because of what that person said. It is well. The court further instructed that the writ and accompanying processes be marked as a concurrent writ for service outside the jurisdiction, specifically to the Federal Capital Territory (FCT), Abuja. Additionally, the court ordered all parties involved to maintain the status quo until the determination of the motion on notice for an interlocutory injunction. The judge directed that both parties maintain the status quo as of March 30, 2025 until the next hearing. The court also required the claimant Edison to enter into a 2 million naira indemnity bond, promising to compensate the defendants should the substantive motion be ruled as frivolous. The judge adjourned the substantive case to April 30, 2025 for further consideration of the motion on notice for interlocutory injunction. This marks a temporary legal victory for Ehie as the legal proceedings continue. I don't understand why they want to arrest him in the first place. I don't understand why they want to arrest him in the first place. How are they so sure that he was the one that did it? How? Gabriel Osa says democracy is a scam in Nigeria. J. Humphrey says corruption. Someone did something, you restrain the security agencies to implement their investigation. How are you sure that he was the one that did it? Were you there? Let them go and bring the evidence. People are always asking for evidence. Let them go and bring evidence that it was Edison Ehie that put fire there. It's a state house of assembly, so they should have security cameras. If they don't have security cameras, then in this country, we still have a long way to go. They should go and check the security cameras in the building or somewhere across the building. They should have it there on poles around that area. That should be monitoring stuff. So they should go and bring the camera and come and play it for us on that very particular day to be sure that it was a Edison that really put fire there. Or it was Mrs. Amewole that they saw there last. Because I don't understand what you mean by, someone did something. How did you do it? How to see that these people are desperate? Wike and his cohorts are desperate to bring Fubara and his own people down. They're so desperate. If I destroy the building, I'll now still be rebuilding it. So if you rebuild it, won't they still impeach me? Because I don't understand how people reason. Chinmay name says, I thought he said he's innocent. To think you and Fubara can bomb the assembly and go free. I don't understand how you people believe that Fubara will do that. Me, I don't believe that Fubara will do that. I do not believe it. So let him go and protect himself, because these people, they can do and undo. If that is the only way he can protect himself for now from these wolves, let him go and protect himself, because they can go the extra mile. What is it? Chika Nwachukwu says, court gets mad. Them no say the order no dey work again for Nigeria. Abiodun Ali says, nonsense. If he's not a criminal, why would he be afraid of arrest? Why won't he be afraid of arrest in this country? You think that if they arrest you or they carry you to their courts, the courts that they own, you think that you are going to win? Because you already know how this thing goes. We already know how it ends. So you should wait for them to arrest him first. People are funny. Very, very funny. Adebayo Nelson says, Jankara and Janjaweed High Court. No be something. Onyebuchi Oha Nuna says, you are not ashamed of yourself. This man was the man who brought your assembly nomination for you. And so what? So because he bought my nomination form for me and he's now telling me to do something bad. So because of that, I should do it. Because he was the one that bought my nomination card for me. The way people are so sentimental, I don't understand. So because you helped my life now, you now tell me, because I did this for you, see, that person, I want you to destroy his life, or probably I want you to go and buy that person for me. And you want to turn me into a murderer because you helped me to do something. I'm just giving an example, like, you can see that this person is clearly bad. So because he helps me to do something, I should now be saying yes to everything that he says. It's only a liar that will not see that Wike is a problem here. What is it? Sylvester Ekene says, you must be arrested. You can run, but you cannot hide. Wike is coming. Can you imagine? Wike is coming. Says, well, Abolani says, this is how Wike saved Fubara from prosecution of EFCC. So they are learning from Wike now. Everything that he's doing, everything that they are doing, they're learning from him. I beg. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.